Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about average if s formula. Okay, average if s formula is used when I want to get any quantity on the basis of staff and on the basis of product, that what quantity is sold by Ahmed for the product of TV. So this formula is used to get the result like this, which I already told you. So here I'm going to teach you that how you can abstract the quantity of TV sold by Ahmed, okay, by this formula, which is 4 is equal to average if s. Okay, first of all I will select the average range. This is my average range. Okay, this is my criteria. Okay, and I want to get the result of Ahmed. From here I want to get the results. Okay, and the last one is the criteria for TV, and the parenthesis closed, and it will showing me 4. So we can check manually. Ahmed is only 2 times in the whole data. Okay, first time he is here and second time he is here, and he sold TV here he sold fridge. So so this is only one time that Ahmed sold TV, okay, as per this data. So the answer is 4, which is already we abstract from this formula. So this is the method by which you can use the formula of average if s. So this is all for this tutorial, and one more thing, that is you need to subscribe my channel for more videos, and www.facebook.com my e-tutorial. Okay, this is my Facebook page. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you.